Andariki Namaskara. I am Dr. Sudhir Dara, Founder Director of Epion Pain Management Group of Clinics. So today we are happy to announce that we have started. This one is the second branch there in Banshankari. 2 years back we started that. After seeing the success of the Banshankari branch, now we have started one more center in Saikar Nagar. The center's clinical head, the doctor who will be giving all the services here would be Dr. Sriharsha.
ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಬನಶಂಕರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮದು ನಾನ್ ಆಪರೇಟಿವ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನ್ ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಂಡಿ ನೋವು, ಭುಜ ನೋವು, ಸ್ಪೈನು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರದ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟೆಂಡನ್ ನೋವು ಇರೋ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಸರ್ಜಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Regenerative medicine, non-surgical thing which is not very popular in India. It's very popular in Western country, but because of his vision, we started this in 2017. I was the one who joined him, and then from there we have been expanding, and very proudly today we sit here to expand our 6th branch in one of the major cities in Bangalore, very densely populated city. Very highly educated people are there. This treatment where we are going natural way of treating. So simple conditions like they were saying, degenerative condition does not always need surgery. So we have been expanding this, and what have been practiced in the Western world since last 20 years here in India, and we expect that we also expand. We give our services to whoever is needed. Because 30% of the population suffers with these conditions like chronic pain. There is the quality of life get impaired. They lose their job. Their social life is not there. So after a lot of has more than 25 years of experience in this field, and after that a lot of research he did, and then through his leadership he expanded his team, because it's very difficult to do things individually. Through his leadership he has expanded all of us, and he has given that opportunity to so many people to come together and do service to the mankind. So I hope that Dr. Harsha and Dr. Vidya, they do justice to this Nagala, and very proudly we are here so that we can serve them with all humanity we have.
ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಕರ್ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ನೀ ಪೇನು ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಅವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಈ ಭಾಗ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.